Hello, I am Adit Gupta, the director of Apricot Socks, and in this video, I'm going to tell you why our customers love us. So, our customers love us because we deliver on time, we deliver good quality to our customers, and we are a reliable supplier for them. And we are not in it for the short run, we are in it for the long run. As you well know by now, we are a third generation manufacturer of clothing and socks, and we export all these items only. We supply less to the local market, and our quality is basically for the export market. And we understand the requirements of the customers, we meet the requirement of the customers, and as per the customers and the latest trends, whatever is required, we upgrade our factory with the latest machinery for it. I'm going to also tell you about the organic cotton socks that we manufacture in our factory. So the organic cotton socks are GOTS certified. So we purchase the yarn from a GOTS certified dealer. We can share the certificate with you, it's not a problem. Then we dye the yarn as per the customer requirements. We work with Pantone, so we have the TPX series, we have the TC series, we have the TCX series for the cotton series also. And then once we get these yarns which are dyed in the Pantone colors as required, we use it for knitting in our factory to make the socks in stripes or jacquards or any fun motif that you have. We make the socks in the regular length or the no-show invisible socks, or we make them the mid-calf length. So depending on whatever your requirements are, whatever your quantities are, our entire manufacturing process is in our factory. So we do the knitting, we do the stitching, we do the ironing, washing, pressing, everything, finishing, packing, checking, everything is done in our own factory. We make them in a range of exciting colors and exciting motifs. You can keep changing the print motifs collection by collection, season by season, every time. You can also use licenses, so you can use Minions, or you can use whatever. You can take the license permission from the respective companies, and then you can let us know, and we can make them with you like that. We also have the cash and carry. So for certain stocks, certain items, for the smaller customers, we are always maintaining stocks of the latest trends and latest designs. So in this, there is no minimum. So even if you wanted 10 pairs or 20 pairs or 50 pairs or 100 pairs to just get started to test it, you can use those pairs from us, and you can these are the latest trending designs that we keep replenishing, and then we give to the smaller customers as per their requirements and demands, so that they can test the market, and once they are satisfied that yes, they are able to sell them and everything, then they can move on to the bigger volumes. So that is there. And also you must look at the very exciting gift packaging options, because socks is an amazing gift item. It's the perfect gift to give to dads, to moms, to spouses, to kids, because it is something that everybody wears. It's very inexpensive. There's a lot of margin for you in it, so you can use that margin for advertising it. It's just one of the best gift items out there. It's something that gets used, and we can make them in different designs. You want separate designs for Halloween or Thanksgiving Day or Christmas Day, whatever the occasion might be. We can make a pair of socks for you for that particular occasion. So we are really excited to have you. Thank you for contacting us, and we look forward to speaking to you. Our team will be guiding you. If at any time you need my help, you are most welcome to email me or call me. Calling is probably the best, and you can ask our team. They will always give you my phone number. Thank you so much.